Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Hey, man, Club Cash Fund is back, and feels kind of off because I'm looking at my positions, and it says 0 kits mailed out. I got a new sponsor, and let's see. Top referrals all time is 6 referrals. Okay, so Club Cash Fund is back. I am back in my back office. I have a different username. It's Buddy Buddy BO. And what I like about Club Cash Fund is this opportunity. It pays a number of tiers down, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. It pays 5 tiers deep this opportunity. My new sponsor is Miss Teresa Clayton, and um, differs from the sponsor that I had before. The person I joined before on this, I tried talking to him. He didn't answer. Miss Clayton, she's the one that let me know that this opportunity's back in business. Like I said, I was on the chat and I seen it pop up, and I was like, why is this old chat popping up? And lo and behold, Club Cash Fund it's actually back. Um, the founder, John, he had gotten COVID. Apparently, he had gotten COVID, and he also lost the database for the original Club Cash Fund, and says here's how to get your money. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get to the capture page. I'm gonna dig up my old capture pages in Conversion Pros, and Conversion Pros. So basically, you're gonna come to the capture page and watch this. I might even use the capture page that's given on here. You're gonna request a free starter kit. You guys don't have to pay anything right now, and that's the cool thing about this is you don't have to mail out any postcards. You don't have to stamp any envelopes. That's optional. You can get the word out. You can invite people to check out a free this presentation. You're gonna meet John Stalvey on here. Just a quick presentation. He tells you how he got this started, and then you're gonna fill your name, your address, city, state, zip code, and request a free starter kit. You're then within the next few weeks or so. This is the founder. He's from Florida. I'm all the way from over here in Washington, so it's gonna take a minute to get over this way. If I was gonna request a starter kit, but you request a starter kit, and what's gonna happen is a colored you're gonna get a colored flyer in the mail that's gonna tell you exactly how Club Cash Fund works. Okay, so the basic version, um, to get started, it's $100 one time, and that's going to be divided up between 5 different people, including the admin. Okay, so $100, $20 is going to go to the admin, $20 is going to go to your sponsor, $20 is going to go to your sponsor's sponsor, and then their sponsor, and then their sponsor. So this is a cool deal. You're going to be able to leverage off of your team's efforts once they start getting starter kits out there, sent out. Your name is going to be on that flyer, and each time somebody joins, your name's going to get bumped down one number down. Actually, it's not. Excuse me. Let me rephrase this. The way it originally worked is it was 3 tiers deep, and then one payment goes to a rotator for the pro members, if I remember right. Okay, so it's 3 tiers deep. So your sponsor and their sponsor, and you, if you join. So the same still goes. Once you start requesting starter kits, the people or members that asked for details, they're gonna get the flyer in the mail. Your name is going to be in that number one position for each flyer that goes out there, that's out there circulating in the world via snail mail. This is an old school program. with New School built in. Mailbox money with a twist. So you can get unlimited $20 payments, Mailbox cash, and to come in at the pro level, you can pay $150 for the first month for pro. You come in at $150, and what that's going to, I'm trying to go down here. Okay, so come in at $150. That's going to position you for a 30-day span. For the $150, you can get unlimited $50 Mailbox cash payments in the mail for 30 days. If you decide to come in at the pro level, the second pro level, it's a one-time payment of $400. That's going to position you to earn $150 over and over, and you're going to be able to earn that for a 3-month period. So you can get out there and get starter kits out there for 3 months. You're going to get you'll be able to get this tier too, $50, and then the $20, the basic. If you come in at the 6-month plan, $700 one time, that's going to position you to earn $250 sales, and you'll be able to earn on the first level, the third level, the 1 month and 3 month below, the ones below you. If you come in at the 1 year plan, or the 9-month plan, you can come in for $900 one time. That's going to position you to earn $350, and you're also going to be on the fast track rotator when you come in at the pro levels. So that's the position number 4. You'll be able to earn fast track commissions. It'll be on a rotator. Come in for 1 year. I don't even know why they have the 900. You might as well just come in at $1,000. $100 more, you'll be able to earn $500 per sale. And this is where I'm going to come in at eventually, is at this top one. Come in for 1 year, because it'd just be nice to get those $500 payments. And I'm going to come in there very, very soon at the $1,000 mark here. So that way I don't have to worry about any of this stuff down here. I'll be able to get paid on these levels down below. But we're just getting started with this Club Cash Fund. It's Mailbox money with a twist. You can send out a link. You're going to be able to earn 20, 50, 150, 250, 350, and $500 commissions with Club Cash Fund. Club Cash Fund is back. So it didn't go anywhere. It went somewhere for a minute. But it wasn't because the business went down. It's because they lost the database. So I was able to get back in without having to repay or anything. So if you're a Club Cash Fund member, basically what you're going to do is go back and look for that email that you used when you joined, and then you can email John Stalvey. That's John Stalvey at clubcashfund.com. So you can email them. Basically, that's what I was told in the group. Email them, and just email them with the email that you used when you joined, and then you'll have a different username and all that. So I was able to get back to the group and all that, and so you'll have access to the training group that we have. It's a chat group, and also what are the products with Club Cash Fund? So the products, the standard one is you're going to get digital products, and the first video is going to be an email profits bootcamp. It's going to teach you about marketing via email, and this is basic stuff. Everybody needs to learn this. And then you got the dominating with free Facebook strategies from Chiara Kika, however you pronounce her name. That's the basic one. It's going to teach you how to market on Facebook And then the pro training ones are Instagram marketing, tactical content marketing mastery, zero to hero on LinkedIn, having fearless conversation, 9 steps to podcast profits, BizTube Academy. Okay, so those are your products. That's what you're going to get for Club Cash Fund. And you're going to be able to get Mailbox cash, guys. And go out there and request a starter kit. We're starting back from zero. I forget what my commissions were with Club Cash Fund. See, I have no team. And we're starting back from zero, basically. And that's fine. Request a free starter kit. You're gonna basically, where's the page at? Website. You're basically going to come to this page right here or my capture page, put your name and email in, and then it's going to bring you to this page. This is where you request a free starter kit, and then give it a 2-week span or something like that, and you'll get a colored flyer in the mail, and then it'll have my name at the top along with Miss Teresa Clayton, I believe, and then this pays a couple tiers deep, and they have a bonus if you come in within the next 10 days. I believe it's at the pro level. The pro level's whatever level that you want to come in at. They have, I think the first one, 150. They said if Oak Harbor, Washington, Daniel B. That's near me. Okay, so if you come in at the pro level, you're going to get 50 postcards and 50 leads for the bonus if you come in at the pro level. I know I'm going to come in soon. I might have to give it a while because I got a Vegas trip coming up here within the next week and a half or so. I'm going to be down there for 6 days. I want to have some spending money up there, so definitely it'd be nice. I mean, definitely going to look forward to having some Mailbox cash when I get back from that Vegas trip. So Club Cash Fund is back, guys. If you were an existing member and you have that proof that you were a member from when you started, then if you want to change, sponsors, you can go ahead and ask them. You can put me as your sponsor, Buddy Boome. That's fine with me. If you want a new sponsor, if your sponsor's not active anymore, then you can put me as a sponsor. I'm going to be very active at promoting this, and you'll be able to get some flyers with my name and your name on there, which could benefit all of us. So at that, guys, Club Cash Fund is back. Click that link in the description. Club Cash Fund is back 2023. I gotta clear some of this crap up here. And I'm also gonna share with you guys after I charge my phone up how to get some $39 Cash App payments. It's got a pay plan similar to this compensation plan with her Club Cash Fund. Pays 3 tiers deep, instant pay, $39 payments, Cash App payments. So look, stay tuned for that. It's going to be coming very soon. All right, my friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go get some Mailbox cash. Make some Mailbox cash without having to send any postcards out. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.